One more chance. If you want to improve your English, watch this story till the end. This story will improve your spoken English confidence, while giving you a thrilling mystery with a shocking ending. Ryan finished work very late that night. He was driving home alone. Heavy rain covered the empty road. The weather felt strange and silent. Suddenly, his phone started ringing. The screen showed an unknown number. Ryan answered the call. A frightened voice whispered, "Don't take the next turn." Then it said, "If you do, you will die." Before Ryan could speak, the call ended. Ryan smiled nervously. He thought someone was playing a prank. He ignored the warning. Then he took the next turn. Out of nowhere, a huge truck appeared. Ryan pressed the brakes as hard as he could. The car lost control. Everything went black. A few moments later, Ryan opened his eyes. He was sitting inside his car again. The rain was still falling. Everything looked exactly the same. Then his phone rang again. It was the same unknown number. Ryan answered with shaking hands. The same voice whispered, "Don't take the next turn. You will die." Ryan's heart started beating faster. He knew something was wrong. This time, he decided to listen. He drove straight instead of turning. Just seconds later, he heard a terrible crash behind him. A truck had crashed into another car. Ryan realized the warning had saved his life. He stopped his car and took a deep breath. Then his phone rang once again. It was the same number. Ryan answered quietly. The voice said, "Good. You survived this time." Ryan asked, "Who are you?" After a long silence, the caller replied, "I'm you, 1 hour from now." The call suddenly disconnected. Ryan slowly looked into the rearview mirror. He saw a deep cut on his forehead. He quickly touched his head. There was nothing. Then his reflection smiled. Ryan did not. His blood turned cold. Without moving its lips, the reflection whispered, "You got one more chance." But I didn't. The engine suddenly stopped. The headlights went out. Everything became silent. Then someone knocked on the driver's window. Ryan was too frightened to look. The knocking came again. This time, it came from inside the car.